Good morning. I'm Howard Lee from class 5A29.
I'm 5E29 Chep Wong.
I'm 5E38 Zhou Yu.
I'm 5E39 Brian Yu.
Today, we would like to teach you how to do this chemistry question. First, let me read aloud this question for you. In the above diagram, P and Q are two different metals. When the circuit is closed, a current flows in the external circuit. After some time, 0.36 gram of copper is deposited on the carbon electrode arc. First, the question 1 is, what is the direction of electron flow in the external circuit? Explain your answer. As the question stated, there is 0.36 gram of copper deposited on the carbon electrode arc. That means the carbon electrode arc should be negative in order to attract the copper 2 ion in the copper 2 sulfate solution here. If this is the negative, it should be the cathode, because cathode means reduction is carried out here. Reduction means there should be electron flow from the other electrode to this electrode arc. If this is the cathode, the electrode made by metal cube should be anode in order to carry out oxidation and give electrons to the carbon electrode arc. If it is the anode, the electrode made of metal P should be cathode in order to complete the chemical cell here. If it is the cathode, that means there should be electrons flow to the metal electrode P. All in all, the electron flow in the external circuit should be from the right to the left in order to give electrons to metal electrode P.
Next, the next question is, after the circuit has been closed for some time, what will be observed? 1, the carbon electrode F, and 2, in the copper 2 sulfate solution. First, we will see some gas, colorless gas bubbles at the carbon electrode F. As we all know that there are 2 anions, sulfate ion and hydroxide ion in the solution. Sulfate ion is 2 states. So, hydroxide ion is preferably discharged. And according to this equation, oxygen gas will produce. So there's colorless gas bubble at the carbon electrode. And the next situation is, we can see the color intensity of the copper 2 sulfate solution decrease. Why would it happen? As we mentioned, there is copper 2 sulfate inside the solution, and reduction carried out in the cathode. So, the copper 2 ion gain electrons and change to solid copper by this equation. And that means that the concentration of the copper 2 ion will decrease, as it will be reduced to the solid copper. So the original blue color solution will gradually turn to color.
The next question is, what is the function of Z of X in this experiment? The answer is Z of X works as an electrochemical cell. It is because metal Q is an anode. It will be oxidized and release the electron to the Z of Y. So, it drives an electric current to Z of Y. It will be a source of the electricity.
Yes. The fourth question is, which of the metals, P or Q, occupies the higher position in the electrochemical series? Explain your answer. Yeah. First of all, we should know what is electrochemical series. It is a series that so many chemicals are placed on the series in the order of the tendency to release electrons. Yeah. P and Q. We know Q is metal Q is made for an anode and P for cathode. Yeah. By NO. Metal Q is oxidized, so we should know that metal Q has a higher tendency to release electrons than P. By the definition of electrochemical series, we should know that P has a greater tendency to release electrons than P, so P occupies a higher position in the chemical series.
This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.